A visit to Eyas Landing. I am going to Eyas Landing for an appointment. I will be meeting with Dr. Shea. She is kind and fun and is excited to meet me. I will meet her in the lobby of Eyas Landing. Dr. Shea will first take my temperature to make sure that I am healthy. Then, Dr. Shea and I will go into a room that looks like this. It will be quiet and comfortable. Why are you seeing Dr. Shea, you ask? Your parents know that sometimes things are easy for you, and sometimes things are hard for you. Dr. Shea is going to help you understand how you'll learn best to be the best you can be. Dr. Shea might ask me questions, ask me to draw or write something, or ask me to do a math problem or read a story. I'm going to try my very best when Dr. Shea asks me to do those things. If I'm feeling tired or frustrated, I can always ask for a break. After I do some work with her, I'll get time to do some fun activities and have a brain break. When I'm finished, I will go home. I'll be proud of myself for trying my best.